wearing Dolce Jolie Microlinks. That's natural, wavy, relaxed texture for about 3 months now, and I absolutely love it. It is silky. It is easy to comb through even when wet, and it blends very well with my hair. I just love it. I highly recommend you try this for yourself. I've tried other hair extensions with the strand by strand technique, and they just do not compare to these. I highly recommend. It will be well worth the purchase.
Hi, my name is Tiffany, and I am wearing Dolce Jolie Malaysian extensions. They were custom colored for me. This is my second install. I've had them since February, and I'll probably wear them again and again because they are wonderful. I go swimming almost every other day. I have no problems with it. Styling, curling, flat iron, anything. It's also good for roller setting, any kind of hairstyle that I need, and it stays. It takes any product, hairspray, any hold, flat ironing, and it just lasts forever, and I'm very pleased. And I highly recommend it.